Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle.
Tiguan R-Line 2.0 TDI 150PS DSG is currently available at Oldham Volkswagen in a Nightshade Blue Metallic finish, and it looks remarkable. The car's been well maintained during its life cycle by its one previous owner, as you can see a clean exterior bodywork. Included in the upgraded black styling pack, you do get access to 20-inch York black alloy wheels, offering a sporty look. A fairly spacious boot capacity, big enough to fit stuff like suitcases inside with additional storage space underneath. ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats, cup holders in the centre console and USB-C inputs. The multifunction steering wheel gives access to the dashboard display, we'll touch on this soon, and pan around you can see we have the Soul and black interior upholstery, creating a really captivating look to the vehicle. We have an upgraded panoramic sunroof, which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view, perfect for all year round. You have DSG shift paddles for manual gear changing, and on the dashboard display you can show key information like your driving data, audio and your telephone whilst on the move. Over on the left hand side you'll see the heated steering wheel with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience. And additionally on the left hand side you have the adaptive cruise control to keep you at a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, ensuring confidence, safety and a layer of comfort for your everyday travels. The infotainment screen offers a wide array of different options, and making our way into our driving mode selection using the new scroll wheel in the centre console, you can see here we can configure between the different displays for eco and sport driving modes. Car also features heated front seats with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, offering a cozier winter experience, and these are separately controlled for you and your front passenger. Now what the car does host is the ability to actually use the massage seat functionality to offer a luxurious feel to the vehicle whilst driving for you and your front passenger. Lastly, the car features in the upgraded driver assistance package. You have the area view and rear camera, which is your 360-degree parking sensors and cameras. A great addition to the vehicle as it offers a much more confident and safe parking experience. This is great for places like shopping centres, where traditionally it's a bit tight, and you can access by popping the car into reverse.